Hello, and welcome to Nuraxon's tutorial on how to export and import your data. We have the ability to export raw data and reported statistical data in a variety of ways. You can use this guide to learn how to share records between MR3 versions, save statistics to report on longitudinally, or for performing analysis in a third-party software. We can export raw data from the database. Here, choose the Export button. The options you have to choose from are Export to external location, which allows you to export recordings in a format MR3 can read to another PC running MR3, export records to another subject or project within MR3, or export your raw data to various data types for analysis in a third-party software. Before exporting any files, it is recommended that you create a blank destination file somewhere on your PC. If you choose to save to a location where there is already a Nuraxon MR3 data folder, your records will be saved into this folder. If you will be exporting MR3 data to an external location, take care not to change the contents of this folder and its organization. If you want to transfer the data to another computer, you must move the entire folder. To import MR3 data from an external location, simply choose the Import from External Location option and choose Nuraxon MR3 data. The pop-up will give you the option to import the recording saved in that file. When exporting your data to any other format, like to a MATLAB file, CSV, or C3D file, you will likely encounter a filter menu. For example, let's choose the Export to Single CSV option, which will export your data to one CSV file you can read in Excel. When we choose the recording of interest, we are met with a filter menu. Here, we can choose which signals we can export. We can choose to export all of them, or use the filter menu to choose only specific signals in different categories. To export configurations, first click on the configuration you would like to export. Then click the Export button on the right-hand toolbar and choose your desired destination. Nuraxon will then generate a folder titled Nuraxon MR3 Data in this location. You can only export configurations from one module at a time. If you choose to save to a location where there is already a Nuraxon MR3 data folder, your configuration will be saved into this folder. When exporting reported data, you have a few different options. You can print the report to a printer or PDF writer, or you can export the statistical data contained within the report. You can choose the Export button on the right-hand toolbar to see the options for exporting statistical data contained in the report. You can even export the data to your clipboard, which you can paste into a Word document or Excel file. I hope you have enjoyed the Nuraxon import and export tutorial. If you have any additional questions, please send them to support@nuraxon.com and a Nuraxon representative will be happy to assist.